Wow, lucky catch. People, I gotta tell you, this is John Kaufman. I'm at 8th and Hudson Street on the A train, and it is cold, but this is a lucky catch here. We got a Manhattan bound A train out of Lefferts, R32s. So, hope you're enjoying this video, but oh my god, my hands are freezing. I don't know how many inches of snow fell out here, but let's watch the R32 A train head to Manhattan in this big snowstorm. Here's an out-of-service A train of R46 cars coming up Pickett Yard. Boy, so we have a bunch of R46, R32X. So I guess you could say this was a very nice video. This is John Kaufman signing off. My hands are absolutely numb. Take care and keep moving. Oh my God.